Before we start, I want to introduce myself. I'm Roxanne, your pour-over master. And before I start, I want to introduce the equipment and tools that I will use. First, the Hario P60 Grip Decanter. Second, the Hario P60 Cone. Third, the Cone Paper Filter. And the digital weighing scale. Digital timer. This one kettle and the two ceramic. The PC of beans or the Philippine Coffee Origin beans that I will use is Ampugaw. Ampugaw flavor properties, notes of berries, chocolates, nuts, and well-balanced and even body. And bean varietal is Typica and origin from Bengal. Okay. Looking for some coffee water to remove the paper piece. Then wait for blooming effect. As you see, may bubbles na nag-form sa ibabaw. It means may lumalabas na gases sa coffee. It means na may freshness sa loob ng coffee natin. Nakukuha ito ng coffee natin through the process. Okay, then after that, I will start from the center and for its circular. The trick here is make sure na even yung pag-pour nyo ng hot water. Para maiwasan natin yung kalahating part is luto, kalahating part is ilaw. Para makuha natin yung flavor taste na po. Then after that, I will put some 300. The pouring is start from the center, then circular motion until it's become 300 ml.
Okay guys, pala
When waiting na matapos yung 3P, ang Pugaw is from, it is a barangay from municipality of Pitagor at province of Benguet and can be found in the Cordillera region and from northern part of the Philippines. Then, ang Pugaw from the word ang Pugaw derived in Ibaloy, it means ampu means to gather or to harvest, and how means together, means Pugaw to harvest together. Benguet Arabica coffee is the best because coffee bean is nurtured well in the climate that well balanced, and because it is also from elevated portion of Benguet. Then, sa paggagawa ng hamper, make it swirl din para lumabas yung flavor ng coffee. Then, the best food for this is fudge brownie and the rattle bar because the sweetness of the pastries and the bitterness of the Pugaw is complementary each other. Then, niyo po tikman yung Pugo Coconut, please enjoy po. Sa coffee experience po, meron po tayong 5 senses na ginagamit. The sight, the appearance of the coffee, the texture, the color, the creaminess, and second, the smell, the clues about the flavor profile, and the second is the taste, the chocolates, the nuts, because ang Pugo has loads of various chocolates and nuts. Then the taste, that you felt in your mouth, that watery, creamy, flavorful, and the last is the sounds. When we do this pour, you see that it's delicate and it's feel like to watch it is enjoyable, soothing, and relaxing. Please enjoy your coffee. Thank you very much.
Sige po. Or kasi yung tama pag-sip.